Hello kids, how are you? I hope you are all great and full of joy. Right now we are going to make an airplane Piggy bank. We will use plastic bottle, then we can recycle into an airplane Piggy bank. Remember kids, to always recycle our plastic waste. Let's prepare our material and start making it. Open your box and prepare all the materials on the table. You will get one red rectangle paper, two wings of a plane, one propeller of a plane, one tail of a plane, 8 circle white stickers, and 1 plastic bottle. Let's start making our plane Piggy bank. This is how to make an airplane Piggy bank. Use the red rectangle paper to wrap the plastic bottle. Make sure the hole for the coin is on the top of the bottle. Remove the paper from the tape and stick the red paper on the bottle. Take circle stickers and put on the right and on the left of the plane. Each of the sticker, 4 stickers, is the plane windows. Take 2 parts of the plane wings and stick them on the left and on the right of the bottle. Take the tail of the plane and stick it on the back of the plane. Take 1 part of the plane propeller and put on the front of the plane. Open the bottle cap, put inside the propeller, and then put the cap back. Yay! This is our plane Piggy bank. You can save your coin inside your plane Piggy bank. I hope you are all have fun. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.